involve understanding and respecting, which begins with attentive listening and participating.
The quote by Edward Hall and Mildred Hall means that the essence of cross-cultural communication is more effective when raising the right responses.
It's very important to listen carefully to be able to release the right response. It is used by an individual when interact and negotiate.
Understanding builds the bridge. We words may fall. Culturally connect, we must pay and respect and patience and stand tall.
We must encourage one another to open and build up with their minds, so that in every situation we can understand the whys.
Your words be calm and nice, so that no one breaks their peace of mind. It is the meaning we share, not just